everyone! Welcome back to another adventure. Today, we're on a mission. An academic mission.
Yep, we were diving deep into the world of teaching strategies and classroom management. But don't worry, we will learn together.
Let's go!
Let's find the best sources.
Challenge accepted. First one to find the golden source wins a coffee! The library, a place of wisdom, focus, and endless book. They have to be silent.
Did you know that active learning strategies help students retain information better?
As a language teacher, you need to provide varied and relevant activity opportunities for your students in and outside the classroom.
Facts and key ideas about concepts of teaching English methodologies.
Different approaches are used depending on the learner's goals, proficiency, and context. Effective English teaching balances grammar communication and practical application.
Classroom management ensures effective learning by setting clear expectations, fostering a positive environment, and managing time efficiently, according to Wong and Wong 2018, Marzano 2020, Emer and Albertson 2019.
Classroom interaction promotes engagement, collaboration, and deeper understanding through teacher-student interaction. Effective feedback, whether formative, summative, peer, or self-assessment, it supports student learning and improvement to their strengths and also their weaknesses.
Look at us, being all productive. Who knew research could be this fun?
I mean, with the right company, anything is fun! Through reading this book or any book, it is the key to success. Also, an arm workout. Mission accomplished!
We found awesome sources, took great notes, and had fun along the way.
And now it's coffee time! Because in every study session deserves a reward! And that's it for today's vlog. If you enjoy our little library adventure, don't forget to like,
Share,
and subscribe! See you in the next one!
stay curious, and let's keep learning. Bye!
Bye!